I'm so excited, but I cannot shout because it's in the middle of the night. Everyone is sleeping already. Hi guys, this is Ashanti and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time, but this time we're gonna fix something. So this expensive DYSON air wrap. So this is the problem of my DYSON. Yeah, you see there's a broken lock there which holds the tools when you change it. Yeah, you see that broken things. Yeah, you see that's broken. So I think that's supposed to be like straight to be locked. So this is what happens when you put the tools in the wand, in that stick. So it's really not that tight. It's shaking, and you see that really get out automatically. So that's already really loosened. See? So in time that while you're doing your things, while you're doing your hair, that fall down, and yeah, that's annoying. Sometimes that fall down most of the time. So that's why I decided to fix it up, because that annoys me already. Especially when I use this hairbrush. So sometimes I mostly use the two to straighten my hair. Look at that. And that, see? So that's why I decided to fix it, and let me show you how.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So since I know acrylic really gonna gets hard and really gonna hardens really strong enough, this time I'm not gonna use a granulate or powder acrylic. This time I'm gonna try to use this gel acrylic, which the girls normally use for their extension nails. So because I can really maneuver this without spilling to something or inside in an edge corner or whatsoever, in unwanted corners. So I tried to do that inside of this device to the broken parts, and then put it in the lamp. But also the same, this lamp cannot go through deeper inside to make this gel dried. Yeah, look, it's still wet. So that's the plan A, remember, to replace the broken parts. But it didn't dry up, and I put it again and again to the lamp. It really didn't dry up. I think it's not enough. I mean, the lamp cannot really cure it deeply, because that's like there's another deeper than there. So I think I have to go to our plan B with our third attempt. So our plan B in our third attempt is to make a lock to the lock. What we call on double lock. So I put directly the acrylic gel directly there, and I just form it. What I find really interesting with this acrylic gel is you can really maneuver it, and then yeah, it's not like so liquid that will flow over or go to unwanted corners or whatsoever, because yeah. So I press it, and then I just maneuver it, and I just make form how I want to make it, using the water dip solution to make it slide, so that won't stick also to my brush. So this comes to my idea to use this acrylic gel. I know it's really kind of dangerous, because if this really gets hardened enough, or really hardened through deep down there, this could possibly permanently lock this device. But I know it's not gonna be, because this kind of acrylic gel is for the nails. So meaning to say, this will go hard, this will go solidify and harden, but this will not gonna stick to any surface without the bond or a glue. Because usually to the nails you use first bond or primer or glue, something like a bond, something like that, bond, before you put that on the nails. So that's the way this acrylic gel stick up to the nails and really, stays there for a long time. So without that, that's not gonna happen. Without that bond, that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna stick there to the surface. So that's how I am confident doing this. But then this is like a gamble. I really don't know, but it's worth to give a shot. If this fails, throw away. The 600 euro, throw away. Anyway, this is like 4 years already, 4 or 5 years, 5 years old. So even how much and how many times I put it on the lamp, under the lamp, it didn't cure under. It didn't cure on the bottom. So I think I have to do this again in a thin layer. So here we are again. To my last try, I said to myself, this is the last. This will be the last. And then I'll give up. I'll just leave it the way it is, and I'll just use this machine the way it is. So my last idea is, same method. So this is the third method that I thought, I think, or I planned, or I tried, whatever. Same method, but then I'm gonna do it in a thin layer at a time. So something like that. When it dry, another thin layer, and then dry again, and then thin layer, and then cure again, and then thin layer, until I get the thickness that I want. So I think that way, this thing will solidify, and I'm gonna get the form that I really wanted. And it's really dry through all the way. So that's just what I'm gonna try to do for this last time. So this is the first thin layer, and seems like successful, and it's really dried and hardens enough. Yeah, so I can call it success. So we're gonna go through our plan to our third and last plan. I'm gonna make a thin layer. So I'm gonna put another thin layer and dry it up and do it again all over again. I'm excited somehow. So when I think I got the thickness that I want, after doing the thin layers and thin layers, they're really, really hard. I'm kind of excited, nervous, excited, and everything. So this is the moment of truth if I can take this out, which I told you a while ago. I'm confident that I could take it out because I didn't use a bond to the surface. So that's why I'm pretty comfortable and confident that I could take this out. Because if not, I have no choice but to drill this. I have to take this out. So now this is slowly popping out. I'm actually excited. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's a little bit wet still, just a little bit. And I get it shot because it's already late night here. So I just pop it up a little bit, or for one round in the lamp, because the inner side was like a little bit wet. So to make it totally hardens deep through, and then I clean the wand for the excess gel. So, the moment of truth. I'm gonna put this thing there, here. Yeah, and I wish it will up. Oh, it click. You hear that? I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Ah, you hear that? That means this is really tight and secure because it clicked. Oh my god! I'm so happy. So the moment of truth, if this one will gonna stays up here and not gonna, shake things, shake body dancer. It's not gonna wiggle anymore, and yeah, maybe this thing will help, that this attachment will not gonna fall anymore. So I hope this is the moment of truth. Oh my god, it's really so tight, that lock to the lock. Oh my god, it's really... Oh my... I cannot really shout because it's really late night. But you don't know how happy I am, because finally, after so many attempts, I can say it's successful, my darlings. Oh, now my things is already fixed. So now that I know that this thing is really a success, I just really have to figure it out. I just really have to think the way that this thing would gonna last for long run or forever. So I have to make sure that this is really strong enough with putting out, putting in. So I'm planning to make it a little bit thicker, especially on the sides, because that is the, the sides, the corners is the one that I'm gonna put it out the most. I mean, I'm gonna force it the most. So I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna take my gel again, and I'm gonna do the thin layer and thin layer until it's gonna be thick enough, especially on the side. So this how thick I want it is to be. This is perfect. This is the way how I want it to be. I think this will gonna last longer. Look how thick is that. Beautiful, isn't it? So that's the last layer that I'm gonna do. And since I dropped this lock to the lock many times, like 4 times, and I'm afraid sooner or later I'm gonna lost it. So I glue it up to the one. So this is really glue. Look at the glue that sticks really sticks and stays there. So I glue it up and make some cords or wires. No, that's not wires. That's like thread. So to make sure that won't gonna lost or gonna be lost in some time, just to make it sure that it stays there. Now my things, so this time I can really say it's success. So once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye.